UC Charlotte.
If you're looking to jumpstart from your diet in the new year, our next guest can help. There's a way to say goodbye to those stubborn love handles and muffin tops for absolutely good.
Freeze that fat away with CoolSculpting. Here to tell us more is Dr. Matt Jones. He's with John Rick Medical Spa and Wellness Center in Charlotte. Hello.
Dr. Jones, how you doing?
Good. Good to see
All right, Dr. Jones,
Tell
here it
us
is.
about it.
We need to know.
Freeze it
First
away.
of all,
Freeze
away the fat. CoolSculpting, what is it?
So CoolSculpting is a body contouring device. It's designed to help eliminate permanently some fat where you don't want it, right? It's that thing that we all want. It's no surgery, it's no downtime, and it's permanent removal of fat in those unwanted areas.
You know, so we're talking muffin tops and all things. How does it actually work?
So it actually works by freezing the fat cells. The device, most of the devices will pull the fat into the machine, cool it down to a constant temperature that causes the fat to freeze, but doesn't affect the tissues around it like the skin. When those fat cells freeze, they expand and then they fracture, and that causes an injury to the fat cell layer. And your body's going to heal that injury like it does any other injury in your body. It's going to eliminate some of the dead cells while it repairs others. We see about a 20 or 25% reduction with a single treatment.
Wow. What areas can you treat?
Well, the typical areas the traditional areas were like the abdomen, anywhere on the belly, your sides, and you mentioned the muffin top earlier, back, bra rolls, arms, inner thighs. We even have two newer devices that treat the outer thighs. You were patting your outer thigh earlier,
that outer
right?
thigh.
So that fat that's not really pinchable, we can treat that with a Cool Smooth applicator. And then the newest applicator out is called the Cool Mini. It's made for that roll underneath the neck or any smaller area that we couldn't treat. And I can't tell you how many people, this is actually the smooth device you're seeing here for the outer thigh. But that Cool Mini device, boy, I can't tell you how many people I've had ask me, can you just put this thing on my neck? And the bigger devices would not have been safe, so they created one for under the chin.
Okay, now a quick question. When I see the device that's going on the patients there, does it hurt? Does it send shock? What does it do? How does the patient react to that?
The device you're seeing here, that's the smooth device. It doesn't use suction because, again, that outer thigh fat isn't very pinchable, so it's just cold. The other devices are tight. They pinch because they actually pull the fat up into the device, so it can be a little tight initially, but it's really, this patient that you were seeing there, lay in bed for an hour, watching, playing on her phone, watching a movie, sleeping. I've had people sleep through treatments before.
And then it's gone.
And then it's gone, yeah.
Is it good for both men and women?
It's good for everybody, yeah. Anyone that has pinchable fat, really, men and women, they're treated differently because our fat is distributed differently. But we have a way to evaluate and treat each individual person based on how they look, what their shape is, where their fat is. It's a very individualized process.
Okay, who can absolutely benefit from CoolSculpting?
So our ideal candidates are people that are health conscious, right? We want people that are, they're exercising, they're eating right, they're doing all of the right things, and they just have fat that won't go away. We really can treat anybody that has pinchable fat, but those are the people that are going to see the most benefit because generally their weight is stable and they're doing all the other right things. But the treatment itself doesn't require any diet or any pills or any injections, any special exercise plan. It works independent of those things.
Now, how long does it take to actually see results?
So the result, we ask your body to do the healing. Remember I mentioned that that's the body heals itself, right? So it takes a few months. It takes about 3 months to see the results. These are some before and after pictures. This is an outer thigh treatment, which we've been talking about, and you saw the video for earlier. You can see the reduction from the left to the right in the size of that saddlebag. It's really an amazing treatment. This is the new Cool Mini. So the lady on the left obviously is before and after. This is with 2 treatments of her under chin and the newest device. And she has a huge reduction in that fat under her chin. It can make a huge change in the way your neck and your profile looks. That is a huge bother for people, and it was something that we had to address. Sides for men, right? This is a big spot. Guys don't want to have an hourglass figure. They want to be carved out. Right? They want to be chiseled. And you can help get you that V shape back. These and inner thigh here, this is, you can see the space between her thighs there. Her legs are in the same position. She has more, she can wear corduroy again.
Wow. Yes.
Okay, you got a New Year special. Tell me about it.
Absolutely. So, to celebrate the New Year, we're going to have a special running through the month of January. We're taking $100 off each treatment area. For instance, if you're treating the inner thighs, we have to treat both inner thighs, right? So you're saving $200 there on treating your inner thighs. We're also telling anyone that sees the show, if they come in and mention the show to us, we're going to give them a complimentary massage, as well as a $200 signing bonus on any package of CoolSculpting that they buy.
Oh my you hooking people up.
I mean, hooking it
and
up.
the consultation is always free, so don't even worry about it. If you're not sure if you're a good fit, you're not sure if you want it, come see me. Happy to see you, evaluate you, tell you, is this the right treatment for you?
You get all of this gone.
Absolutely, girl, we can do that.
All of that.
So, yeah, no, that's always free.
Well, thank you very much.
Absolutely.
You can contact Dr. Jones at John Rick Medical Spa and Wellness Center. The number is 704-665-0058. You mentioned Charlotte today. You're going to receive the special that Dr. Jones just talked about. Thank you very, very much. Absolutely.
Wow.
CoolSculpting sounds really good. Here we go. Well, coming